Yeah, I know. It's officially summer, and everybody's bored at home right now, bet? So I tried making this drink, and I want to share it with you. Here we go! By the way, you can add sugar to your coffee mixture if you want to make it sweet. And microwave your milk to make it hot. So basically that's it. No whisking, no stirring, and definitely no tired arms. Just pure coffee goodness. Let's put into taste test! Rush, gusto mo ng coffee?
Ang tapang!
Hindi masarap. Sorry. So unfortunately, my brother didn't like it. Maybe I have to add more sugar. So go on, give it a try and do better than me, I guess. See you in my next vlog. Bye!